For those of you who are now boarding, please secure all hats, glasses, wallets, keys, and other loose articles, and step into the coaster as quickly and safely as possible. Once seated, pull the lap bar down and ensure it is properly secured on your lap. Please sit upright, keep back and shoulders against the seat back, and hold on to the grab bar in front of you with both hands. Keep hands, arms, and legs down and inside the ride vehicle at all times. Now, get ready. Your rescue mission is about 4 minutes.
Yeah.
All right.
Ladies and gentlemen, we're not going to be boarding this train. Once again, ladies and gentlemen, we will not be boarding this train. Please stand behind the white line. The gates will open, but please stand behind the white line.
Yeah, the second one's even better. It is fun. Yep.
They're gonna have to change out a lot of tires.
Yeah.
It's gonna be an expensive maintaining ride.
This friction launches are.
We ask that you please remain seated until the ride has come to a full and complete stop. Once the lap bars have been unlocked, please exit towards your left, taking all belongings